Here's the data. So this is representative sample data of American professors all over the country. And as late as the mid-1990s, this is people on the left, left or far left. This is right or far right. These are moderates. As late as the 1990s, the left-right ratio in the academy was only 2 to 1. Just 2 to 1, left to right. But after about 15 years, this is the transformative period, mid-90s to about 2010. We have a radical change in the American professoriate. As the greatest generation and silent generation, they retire, replaced by baby boomers and Gen X. Almost everybody is on the left, because even this 5 to 1, this is everybody. This includes the professors in the dental school and the engineering school and the agriculture school. If you focus just on the humanities and social sciences, well, it varies. A new study just came out, between 17 to 1 and 60 to 1. Depends on the department. So here's my department. Here's psychology. I published a paper on this problem with some of my colleagues. We found every bit of data we could on the politics of American psychology professors. So in 1960, it was 4 to 1 voting Kennedy over Nixon. And then they were asked to recall who did they vote for previously, so about 2 to 1. So in 1960, professors were mostly Democrats, not surprising. As late as 1996, it was the same, about 4 to 1. But look at what happens by every measure afterwards. Whether you look at where you are left, right, or who you voted for, it shoots up. And the data that just came out last week, a new paper by Langbert, Mitchell Langbert, is 17 to 1 for this year. So it's skyrocketing up. Very few people understand this. Very few people in this country know just how radically the professoriate has changed in the last 20 years. And what this means is that you undergrads here, you are exposed to less political diversity than ever before in the history of this country, except maybe for the 18th century when they were divinity schools. But since they became research universities, there has never been as homogeneous, as politically homogeneous a professoriate as we have this year. And it's all very, very recent. This is not a slow change. It's a very rapid change with profound consequences for everything that happens at the university.